In this video, I will show you how to get Claude Student Free Plan. So to get Claude Student Free Plan, first of all what you can check is your university or college itself. Sometimes they might have an active partnership with Anthropic, or you might get a full institutional access with no cost. You can simply email your college or your university to know about it. Now the next thing about this is Claude does not have a specific dedicated Claude student free plan. So what you can do is simply open up Claude, and then if you sign in you will be able to use a free plan version of it. Even in that there's some quite useful features, and that with zero cost. Or what you can do is, while trying to buy a pro plan, there simply search if there is any special student discount, or find if there is any voucher codes that you can apply for with your student ID or etc. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.